Welcome to this tutorial on how to use Zentao's document module. If you're looking for a way to better manage your team's documents, collaborate with others on projects, and keep track of document versions, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps of using Zentao's document module to make managing your documents a breeze. We'll cover everything from document organization to version control and online collaboration. So, let's get started. Firstly, let's take a quick look at the blocks available in the document module. Dashboard, here is an overview of the document classification. Recent, here's a view of the documents that have been added recently. My, here's a view of the documents that created by the current user. Favorite, we can mark important and frequently used documents as favorites. And the following 6 blocks make up the main repository for documents. The logic behind the project, execution blocks is consistent. Attachments and documents uploaded within a project, or execution are automatically archived in these 3 blocks. Let's take project document as an example. Here we can find all the project attachments. There are 2 ways to view the document attachments, card and list. With both views, we can easily check the name, source, extension type, size, author, and creation date of each attachment, as well as be possible to directly download them. By clicking on an attachment source, we can view the detailed content of the document it belongs to. If we have Collabora Office integrated, we can even preview and edit the document online. For instance, opening this attached file allows us to browse the document details and multiple editors be possible to make changes at the same time. So that's how the document attachment section's automatic archiving feature works in Zentao. If there are other documents related to the project, we can manage them in the project's primary library. And if there are many documents, we can use Zentao's directory feature to organize them, for example, by department or function. We have the option to create subdirectories within the primary repository, and those subdirectories can be further subdivided as needed. This allows us to manage the directory structure in a way that is tailored to our specific needs. Once our directories are properly managed, we can start creating documents. Zentao supports several document formats for creation. Besides, we can create documents by templates. To get started, we'll need to manage the appropriate templates in Admin. Template type. There, we'll find the pre-built template types that Zentao provides. If needed, we can add our own custom template types by clicking the plus icon. From there, we can go to Document Template and add our desired templates. These templates will then be visible in the list. With our templates in place, we can now create documents from them within the document module. By selecting the template, its format is automatically applied, eliminating the need for repetitive formatting work. To make changes to a saved document, we just need to click the Edit button. Once we've made the necessary changes and saved the document again, a new version number is automatically generated. In the History section, we can see a detailed record of all modifications, and use the diff feature to compare versions and view changes side by side. Once we've finished editing a document, we can export it by clicking the Export button. We can choose to export only the current document, or export all documents in the project sections. In the API section, Zentao provides a convenient way to record interface documents and data structures. By clicking Import Zentao Library, we can import Zentao API documents and easily access them for future calling, querying, and use. As we can see, Zentao provides a comprehensive API documentation, with a table of contents and detailed content for each article. The existing documentation is also editable. In addition to Zentao's native API documentation, we can also keep track of interfaces for other products by creating a new API library. To do this, we simply enter a name, base URL, set access permissions, provide a brief description, and click Save. As with any new API library, it's important to organize the directories first. Once that's done, we can start creating documents by clicking Create API Document. The detailed document template includes fields for request body, request examples, response examples, and more. We can use this template to easily fill in the necessary information. Another valuable feature of the API module is the interface publish management, which has received high praise from Zentao users. Once an interface library has been thoroughly organized, we can create a version and use the publish feature to keep a record of it. In the data structure section, it allows us to keep track of information about data structures. To create a new data structure, simply click this icon, enter the necessary details, and save it. The wiki serves as an internal product manual that can be used to document things like process specifications and other internal documents. Its directory is unique in that it has a numbered style and supports direct export to Word with a standard formatting style that includes chapter numbers, making it easy for users to reference and access information. Here we can create a wiki document. Simply enter a name and set access permissions. Then set the manual's directory, chapters, and subchapters. You can also publish an article directly or assign an article to a specific chapter. Articles can be edited and compared using the diff feature later on. The management process for custom documents is the same as that for project documents, so I won't go into further detail here. That's all about the document management for this session. We hope that the information provided has been helpful in understanding how to effectively manage and utilize documents within our platform. Thanks for your watching. If you have any further questions or feedback, please feel free to contact us at kelsey@zentaown.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials and updates. Thanks again for watching.